Good morning, kids. How are you today?
Good, ma'am.
Okay, good. Great. Today we will discussion the law of the conservation of the mechanical energy. What do you know about this law?
I have heard it's related to kinetic and potential energy, but I am not quite sure.
That's good. You already have a basic understanding. Now let's talk about the law of conservation of medical energy. Do you know how discovered this law?
The discoverer of the law of conservation of mechanical energy is Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, a scientist and philosopher from Germany, right?
Yes, this current. So who knows what the law of conservation of medical energy is?
The law of conservation of mechanic energy states that the mechanic energy in a closed system remains constant as long as only internal forces are at work within the system.
Yes, that's good explanation.
Are there any formulas related to the law of conservation of mechanical energy, ma'am?
Yes, there are formula related to medical energy. Visit, we have the formula for kinetic energy, which is related to the motion of an object. Ka 1 per 2 mv quadrat. In this formula, m is the mass of the object and v is the velocity of the object. Then we have the formula for gravitation potential energy, which is related to the position of an object in the Earth's gravitational field, PEMGH. In the formula, m is the mass of the object, g is the acceleration due to gravitation, and h is the height of the object above a reference points. When the law of conservation of medical energy, we can start the Ka plus Pe equals Ka plus Pe.
So, if we have a real life example like an object falling from a height, can we ask this formula to calculate its mechanic energy, ma'am?
The right example like an filling object are often collected using the law of conservation of medical energy. And this formula when an object feels its potential energy that rise as its height, that rise, and this kinetic energy is rise as its speed. If there is not energy loss, the total and medical energy remains constant. Can you provide any relief application of the law?
It relates to roller coasters, ma'am. When a roller coaster car moves down from its peak, its kinetic energy increases and its potential energy decreases, but the total mechanical energy remains the same.
Absolutely. This is a very good example. When a roller coaster car moves downward, its potential energy decreases to the decrease in height, but its kinetic energy is rise as its speed. The total medical energy remains constant. Is there anything else you like to ask about this law?
Does this law always apply, ma'am?
The law of conservation of medical energy applies in situations where there are no explained forces and work in the system. There is an ideal aspiration, and in the real world there is some energy loss due to factors like freezing or however in my case this law is still very useful for understanding and analyzing in energy in medical system. Do you understand the material?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, if you understood it, please proceed with the excess pure teacher profit. 2 kilogram coconut valley from I hex of 6 meter, the kinetic energy positioned by the coconut with heat resist the ground is with a gravitation acceleration of 10 meter per second quadrat.
100 joules, ma'am.
That's absolutely correct, which means you have a good grasp of this material.
Thank you for the explanation, ma'am. I now have a better understanding of the law of conservation of mechanic energy.
Great. If you have any further question or need additional explanation, don't hesitate to ask. Physics is an interesting subject. And understanding its law is crucial for homework. Please complete the exercises and profit in your textbook. To further deepen your understanding of the law of conservation of the medical energy.
Okay, ma'am.